I'm Dallas Bartlett, and this is Lamborghini Newport Beach. Today we're going to show you how to pop the hood on a Huracan STO and connect the battery charger. Step one is to take the 3D printed key provided by Lamborghini and unlock the bonnet latch on both sides of the car. Step two is, once unlocked, is to press the button to detach it. I like to grab the bonnet from the center, raise it forward, not too far. Next, use the support to secure the bonnet in place. Next, remove the foam storage compartment to access the battery area. The battery is located behind this panel on the firewall. Gently remove it to access the battery. Your battery tender will come with a positive and negative alligator clips that you attach to the battery. The positive node is on the driver's side, the negative is on the passenger side. You'll see a positive node right there, clip, make sure it's secure. You'll see a negative clip down here. Last step would be to plug this into your wall unit in your garage and keep track of the lights on here. I'm Dallas Bartlett, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Please contact us if you need any more help.